In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change stream quality on Discord. If your stream looks blurry or your viewers are seeing choppy motion, adjusting the quality settings is the quickest fix. I'll walk you through the exact place to find those controls and how to choose the right balance between clarity and smooth performance. First, join a call in Discord. This can be a direct call with a friend or a voice channel in a server. Once you're connected and ready to share, look toward the bottom of the app for the Share Your Screen button. On desktop, it usually looks like a small monitor with an arrow. Click that to open the screen sharing setup. Don't worry, you're not going live yet. This just opens the panel where you choose what to stream and, importantly, where you access quality options. When the stream selection window appears, find the small gear icon in the bottom right corner of that panel. This is the Stream Quality Settings button. Click it to bring up the options. You'll see preset quality choices, and you'll also have the option to set a custom resolution and frame rate. Resolution controls how sharp the image looks. Think 720p, 1080 or 1080p, while frame rate controls how smooth movement appears, 15, 30, or 60 frames per second. Pick a preset if you want a quick, reliable choice, or switch to custom if you need finer control. For fast-moving games or design apps with animations, a higher frame rate, like 60 FPS, can feel much smoother. For slides, coding, or anything mostly static, prioritizing a higher resolution at 30 FPS can keep text crisp without stressing your connection. Keep in mind that higher settings use more bandwidth and system resources. If your upload speed is limited or you're noticing lag, try stepping down the resolution or frame rate. Also note that some higher quality options, like 1080p or 60 FPS, may require a Discord Nitro subscription or certain server boosts to be available. That's all there is to it. Join the call, click. Share your screen, open the gear in the stream selection window, and choose your preferred preset or custom resolution and frame rate. A few thoughtful tweaks here can dramatically improve what your audience sees, helping you strike the perfect balance between sharp visuals and smooth motion for your setup.